All right, guys, we're back out here. It's Christmas Eve. We're at the car wash right now. So, you got a new fender, bro?
Yeah, I got a new fender. Should be here in like 2 days or a day, 2 days. I mean, I didn't bang out, but it was an accident. But you know, shit happens, so it's part of the game. So, but I mean, we're gonna bounce right back, so it really don't matter.
Right back. I gotta get this door fixed. I gotta get a couple other things fixed on the G too, but everything's gonna be good soon for sure, no doubt. But we're out here. It's Christmas Eve. We hope you guys are having a great holiday, enjoying the content. So we'll see what's in store for today.
What's up, guys? My name is TJ. My Instagram is DriftTweakers. I'm with my boy Matt. You know what I mean? So basically, this is our YouTube channel, and you know what I mean. We're trying to come up with some shit. So I'm just gonna introduce myself and my car. This is my 2003 G35 Sport Coupe. I mean, it's got a fucked up fender right now, but this just happened like literally like 2 days ago. It never looked like
Yeah,
this. So.
you guys saw it on the last video. But.
Yeah, so you saw it on the last video, but it's getting fixed in like 2 days, so it really doesn't matter. I mean, I got Brembo's slotted rotors. I got some poopy ass KMC wheels on there for now. It's not too bad. It's got flaws on it, but the back's not too bad. The interior is pretty nice. It's got a rip in the seat, but it's not too bad. It could be better.
Yeah, it's a come up though, guys. Believe that.
Pop the hood.
Manual only. You know, that's how we roll.
It's my shit box. You know what I mean? Don't matter though.
Okay, so for all y'all that know VQs, this is the DE.
It's a DE, yeah. It's not a rev up or nothing. It's just the DE. It's got a intake on it. It's about it. It doesn't push that much horsepower. I mean,
It's not tuned right now.
Not right now. I mean, it's gonna.
Both of our cars aren't tuned, guys. I'm getting my car tuned in like I would say a couple months. I have my intakes ordered. I'm getting headers soon, and I'm getting a full exhaust, and that's just the setup I'm gonna run for a little bit. Full exhaust and intakes.
Yeah. We just want something simple.
Something for now, yeah.
But I mean, we're on a come up, so it really doesn't matter. As long as I got enough power to swing this bitch, I'm not worried about it. It really don't matter.
That's right.
But yeah, I just wanted to show my car. This is my shit box, 2003. Right there.
What's up, guys? It's Matt here. We got my G37 right here. It's a 2008 manual. So it's stock, like I said. He was just going over his car, so it's all stock. 6-speed manual, black interior, pretty clean, man. So I just got it. Yeah, so right now for the exhaust setup, I'm just running a shitty ass resonator delete.
Yeah, you shithead. Get out of the fucking view, yeah. Fucking shitter.
So right now I'm just running a shitty ass resonator delete and muffler delete from Midas. So as you can tell, it's got the shitty exhaust on here, but it's a come up, guys. But
Don't matter, on my way to fuck your bitch, you heard?
yeah, so it's the car, man, and more shit coming soon. A lot of shit, so. DriftTweakers, yeah, here.
We out here at what? Burger King. Show where we at. Yo, hold up a second, yo. Yo, listen. We got the bacon double cheeseburger. Bacon double cheeseburger with the value fry. Make you get high. Get you the munchies and you see me all high. Yo! What'd you think I was? Ah, shit. Nah. What are you doing?
Today, guys, Mike's gonna go pick up some wheels for the
Corvette C5, as you guys saw in the last
All right,
video.
guys, so we're out here picking up the wheels right now. So hopefully Mike can burn the meats off him soon, right, Mike? Yeah, we'll get him to burn the meats off for you guys. Don't worry.
I plan on lowering it. And I was like, yeah, well, that'll be good for me because that'll mean the rears aren't going to.
So you want to let them know a little bit about your car?
Which car?
This one, yeah.
It's just a 98 D36 M3. It's a 345. It's got over 200,000 miles and no leaks, no nothing. Did the basics to get it on track. Wheels, tires, brakes, suspension. Cooling system's been revamped. Just a bolt-in cage for the moment. Harnesses. That's pretty much it.
So, like I said, guys, just let me know what you guys want to see. Drop it in the comments. I'll really do anything as far as car content. And we're going to travel soon and shit, you know, trying to get the bread up. But a lot of shit's coming soon, man. But like I said, man, hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see for the G. There's also mods coming soon. We're getting headers soon. Gonna keep the exhaust set up for now. Might just get a Y pipe. And then I'm probably just gonna end up getting a motor down exhaust. Out here with Drew.
What's up, Steve?
Got the wood. Yo, so we out here at Ashland, y'all. It's New Year's Eve. Hope all y'all are having a great New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve.
What's up, man? We out here on New Year's Eve, man.
Let them know who's back, man.
Who's back?
Who's back in town?
TJ's back, man. You want me to show him the fender?
Something Thunder.
Try to color match it as much as I could. And I'll pull it out and shit.
Alright, so you got it painted. He got it painted, guys. Shit's painted. So it's gonna go on. So that's gonna be like the match. It's not really matching, but you know what I'm saying?
Matching. It's not matching, but it's matching.
But it's matching.
It's better than black.
So
you know
New Year's Eve, we getting lit tonight.
Yo, listen to me, yo. Tell them what's up, Matt. What's up? We getting lit?
Man, they already know what's up,
We getting lit. But listen, this shit's gonna be back, you know what I mean? It's gonna take a, like, bro, I tried putting it on by myself, but it didn't work out because, like, I don't really know how to do it, so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get somebody else to do it, but for now, fuck it, bro, we're good. I gotta change the oil, that's it.
Yeah, and this G, guys, you already know this shit has a lot of dents, but we're not gonna talk about that. It's dirty as hell too, but they're all getting replaced. And he's getting back soon, so we'll all be back, like, it's in a due time. But if you guys really drive your cars or stuff like that,
we're daily driving, so they're gonna get beat up.
It's just what happens. And then there's the plate. So happy New Year's Eve.
News, motherfucker.
How you liking the C5? Fuck them, right?
You like the C5? You know what I mean? Having fun like a young kid would. But also, I mean, I messed it up a little bit, so. Well, I mean, I got the fender back, so we're gonna do that. That's all it works, you know what I mean? That's all that matters.
That's great.
I like your car, though, dude.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I like it. It's good. I like it. I've only had it about a year.
Alright, I got you.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. We out.